Okay, taking off from Tangier Island in Virginia.
Hey folks out there, I'm David. I'm flying this beautiful 1984 Mooney M20J. In my videos I'm showing you a snapshot of the practicalities of aviation. What does it take to fly somewhere in a small airplane? What are the key procedures? And how do you do that with reasonable safety? This video is a debrief for me to learn, to catch mistakes, and to get better. I'm deliberately leaving some sloppy flying and mistakes in the videos, and excuse my mumbling. Don't confuse the video with systematic training. Welcome to this flight from Tangier to the New York City area.
Clear? Alright. That's looking good. Alright, flaps, takeoff settings. Turn this on, lights are as required. Radios, timeout. It is AWAS.
Tangier Island Airport. Automated weather observation 1857 Zulu weather wind 330 at 14 visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 15 Celsius dew point 3 altimeter 3015.
Tangier traffic, Bunwa Mooney back taxiing runway 2, Tangier.
This is probably good to back taxi here because it's a little bit more into the wind. Also chasing these creatures away. Come on, guys. Short field takeoff. 1,500 feet. Should be no problem. We're going to start our takeoff roll on the bad bit of the runway. Displace the threshold to have a bit more room. I'm not going to bother these people with a run-up because we've been flying. All seats trim and flaps. Autopilot's off, annunciating door window is closed, fuel pump is on, transponder altitude lights on, taking runway flaps, heading runway. Straight ahead, 3000, towards the right. I think we're gonna do 5,500. Alright, initial heading will be 39 magnetic. Extra rich, okay, we're not off by shortly after the good bit of the runway. Stop.
This takeoff has a stiff crosswind from the left, so you'll see me point my ailerons into the wind. It's also a short field takeoff without obstacle, and in terms of elevator position, it's a compromise. I would normally keep the airplane on the ground until it's time to rotate, but there's some pretty rough piece of runway ahead, so we want to not add any more load to the nose wheel.
Airspeed's alive. Ha! It didn't need much. Runway's gone. Climbing out. X. VY. Flaps coming up. So, should be about here, that is correct. Trailing flaps. Wider. I want to check out it's here. It's like straight ahead, that's a preserve. So let's not go there. Above us is a restricted area. So we're going to stop our climb at 3000 for now.
Tangier traffic, Bunwai Mooney departing the area to the northeast, Tangier.
Climb check.
Orange County Unicom, confirm on the 3-5 to go.
Mixture, a little leaner. Boost pump is off. Flaps are up.
There's experimental 3-5 to go. On the way back from Florida going into Warren, I can't raise anybody at Warren. I know they're CPR for landing. Is there any way you can check with Warren?
We're going to climb to 3000. 100 to go. The throttle back. Keep it at 2400 for now. All flaps are closed. So the restricted area starts at 3500. It's just to our left here. So we can go there via Sierra Bravo Yankee. So, let's go there direct. And we are to the east of the restricted area.
Production Mooney 5260 Alpha, just off of Tangier Island, 3500 BFR request.
last Mooney aircraft off Tangier Island. Say again.
Mooney 526 Sierra Alpha, 3,500, requesting flight following to Caldwell, Charlie, Delta Whiskey, 7,500.
And Mooney 526 Sierra Alpha, standby. And Mooney 526 Sierra Alpha Slug 0532.
05326 Sierra Alpha.
Mooney 526 Sierra Alpha, radar contact 15 miles southwest of Salisbury Airport, 4,700.
Order to check, 6 Alpha.
Mooney 526 Sierra Alpha, Salisbury altimeter 3012.
3012, 6 Alpha.
Alright, that seems to be working. We'll shoot that hole there. Vibrate almost 800 feet per minute. Yeah, 800. 980. 110 indicated. That's not bad. Just trying to stay well away from the clouds. Once we're above the clouds, it will be present. 6,500. 7,500. Alright, from here, I think should be able to go direct Caldwell without impinging on the airspace. Yep. Direct. Pilot is on. Still gonna give it a little bit more right rudder.
Five two five six Sierra Alpha, say final altitude you're looking to climb to.
5 to 6 Alpha will go to 9,500.
Roger, 526 Sierra Alpha, level off 8,500.
Alright, 8,500. Course is 032. I don't know if that's considered easterly.
And 526 Sierra Alpha working on a change your flight plan to get up to 9,500.
Roger, 6 Alpha.
Try 2400. Throttle back, take out some mixture.
November 5256 Sierra Alpha, in contact Washington Center on 132.55. They'll be able to get you higher.
3255. Thank you so long. 6 Alpha.
0.7. Yep.
I think 85 is okay. Should work for me.
Washington Center, Mooney 526 Sierra Alpha, 8,500.
Currently on slow, 150, but we're speeding up. Only takes some time to speed up, but that's fine. Parameters out, cowl flaps are in. Smoke off, gear up, flaps.
Number 3, Juliet Mike, contact New York Center 125.32.
Here we check in, it's 8.
Washington Center, Mooney 526 Sierra Alpha at 8,500.
Mooney I'm showing 5256 Sierra Alpha, correct?
That's 526 Sierra Alpha.
Mooney 526 Sierra Alpha, Washington Center, roger. And you're over Salisbury northbound at 8500, correct, going to Caldwell?
That's affirmative.
And Mooney 526 Sierra Alpha, roger, that's Washington Center. Salisbury altimeter 3012, advised prior to altitude changes.
3012, am I good at 85?
That's affirmative.
6 Alpha.
3012, perfect, we'll advise of altitude changes. Is power RPM set. All flaps are closed. Parameter is out. Mixture has been finally right. Is off. Engine looks happy. Currently feeding on the left. 1820.
SP 503 cross brakes by level 210.
As required, vacuum. Fuel is good. Checklist is complete. will remain at 85. Alright, we are crossing at a 20-mile bit, man. I don't think I'll be further away than 15 miles from an airport at any point. So, let's check the weather at the destination. Sky is clear, 320, to 13, so maybe we'll be 28 probably. The right crosswind will work. 29.99, so definitely pressure drop as we get there. Seem to remember there was a low in the area somewhere. 13 to 20 knots. Well, I'd rather line into wind. Philly has broken 7,000, which is phenomenal distance here. So we're about 1,000 above those clouds. Which is what we have to do. Super cool.
Center 526 Alpha climbing to 9,500 to maintain VFR.
Number 526 Alpha, thank you.
So airspeed 161, I'm happy with that. As it gets colder, it gets better speed.
774 previous call traffic, no back. Number 2153, watch the center higher in 2 minutes. Exit 774, contact Atlantic City approach 124.6.
So, much higher is just going to give me more headwind. We've got about 50 minutes to go at this speed. Higher or lower? That is the question. So we're just over the Delaware Bay. Class Bravo is up to 7,000. 8,500 is not going to work.
Washington Center, Mooney 526 Alpha, I need above 11 or below 8 to maintain VFR.
Well, let me know which one you prefer.
Let's try 10-5 for now, thanks Alpha.
Giving this a shot because I can always either go through a gap or request clearance into Caldwell.
Number 18 Juliet Sierra, I was to ride at 38. 2153 should be smooth.
It's supposed to be sky clear at the destination.
Number 555 November, active climate maintained.
I'm worried that I'm losing this guy.
Number 526.
November 526 Alpha, say again.
Number 526 Sierra Alpha, contact Philadelphia approach 124.35.
2435, 526 Alpha.
Victor's current at trend, you guys have the visual 2-4.
Philly approach, November 526 Alpha, 10,500.
November 5260 Alpha, Philly approach, total altimeter 3005. What is your destination?
05, we're going to Caldwell, Charlie, Delta, Whiskey, 567.
Roger, and you're a Mooney?
Mooney M20J, and I might need higher in a couple miles to maintain via 567.
Mooney 60 Alpha, Roger, you just advise.
67.
68% power at 10,500 feet. To airspeed 163. That's not bad. We're about 1,000 above those clouds. It's good, but I'm not really sure about the clouds ahead. Of course, I don't want to gap some of these clouds. There's no outclimb to find the weather. Cumulonimbus up there. Nothing nasty. Feels a little right leaning. Left wheel was 16, right wheel was 18, so that's not pretty good. Guess that's the Autobot again.
New York approach, Mooney 526 Alpha, 10,500.
Mooney 526 Alpha, we'll expect the call altimeter 3000.
3000, New York, Mooney 526 Alpha in the VFR descent now.
Mooney 60 Alpha.
New York, flex at 374. Hey, the crosswind with the gust factor going into 2.4 exceeds our limitations. Any way we can get in on 1?
Alright, we're starting our VFR descent into the New York area. Time to review the weather once more. The ATIS we've obtained kind of confirms what I expected from my weather briefing earlier that day. We're looking at wind out of the northwest or north-northwest, 330. 13 gusting 22 knots. The peak wind recorded out of 310, 27 knots. That's, I calculated later, direct crosswind component, 13 gusting 17 for runway 28. So that's definitely going to be fun. Stay tuned.
November 100 Charlie Bravo right now, showing the island from a 19 for the 24, the altimeter is 2998, verify your Foxtrot.
100 Charlie Bravo, have Foxtrot.
Exit 550, descend to 3000, heading 050.
Exit jet 550, heading 050.
Affirmative, and descend to 3000, exit jet 550.
Okay, and the exit jet 550 will descend and maintain 3000.
Denver 421 Delta Papa, the answer first, proceed direct to Caldwell, the altimeter is 2999. Delta Papa, thank you. Let us know, actually, whenever you're ready to Okay,
4,000, 73rd Avenue.
Flexjet 374, descend to 2,000.
70,000, Flexjet 374.
Juliet 560 heading 060, descend to maintain 2,500.
060 and 2,500, Jet 550.
0100 Charlie Bravo, flight 06, maintain 4,000.
060 down to 4,100, Charlie Bravo. Correct. We're coming down. A lot of lifties out here right now. Okay, we're looking for him. 1732, everything.
Flexjet 374, heading 060.
060, Flexjet 374.
New York 560 Alpha requesting Bravo clearance for the descent.
5260, clear to descend to your class Bravo, altitude 06.
Descent to Bravo, altitude mine, 6,000. Approach 560 Alpha has to feel inside. 560 Alpha. Coldwell is inside, 60 Alpha. Over to tower, 60 Alpha.
One Delta Papa, thank you. Wind 300 at 11, gust 19er, runway 28, clear to land.
Okay, clear to land, 1 problem.
One Delta Papa, just to keep you updated, the wind has been everywhere from 280 to 340. It's quite variable, but it's most of the time favoring runway 28.
Okay, 1 problem, thanks. Caldwell Tower, November 5260 Alpha, this hotel inbound.
5260 Alpha, Caldwell Tower, enter a left downwind, runway 28.
Left downwind 28, 5260 Alpha.
Sierra Alpha Tower, wind 300 at 12, gust 25, runway 28, clear to land.
28, clear to land, 567.
Six Sierra Alpha, say parking.
Parking on the Alpha end front of the tower, 6 Alpha.
Very good. You can taxi with me when you're ready on this frequency via November, back to parking, and cross runway 22.
November cross 22, 5 to 6 Alpha.